Hey, so in the past weeks I've been working on a really cool pen test project that I wanted to tell you about. For this I even got a 12-core server with 128 GB of RAM. Anyway, I want to share each step along the way, so you can follow along and learn too. Though maybe some more experienced viewers could already guess what this is about. Of course, this is going to be another pen testing video, like every year. So let's spin it.
Guys, I'm in. We are live. Go for it.
Hello. We are sick of LiveOverflow getting all the views, so we decided to take over.
Our YouTube channels are much better anyway.
Zeta 2 has made some great pony racing videos where multiple hackers try to exploit the same binary, so you can all watch and learn from their different approaches.
Insider PhD makes lectures about web security that she has tricked people to watch as entertainment. Get out your notebooks and pens and make sure you're sitting near the front.
Codingo teaches you how to use various security tools and do bug bounty as well. So you may have reports worthy enough of a boom sign-off. Also, he has a giveaway addiction.
Hacksplain serves you easy to digest web app security slices of cake directly to your table, bug bounty tips included.
Pink the Draconian makes walkthroughs of good challenges, the ones that are actually useful in real-life scenarios or that teach you the skills needed to go hunting in the wild.
Who would have guessed LiveOverflow security question to what is your maiden name is, quote, or 1 = 1, dash dash. SQL injections are so 2017.
Rana Khalil mainly makes videos about web security related topics, but will occasionally cover topics related to InfoSec search she's pursuing.
Farah Hawa makes videos explaining some complex web hacking techniques with a beginner-friendly approach.
Superhero1 loves CTFs, hardware hacking, and the cool stuff that is hard to find or to learn on your own.
Pawn Function creates videos on binary exploitation and web security, but with better drawings than LiveOverflow. Pawn Function is also a level lead hacker, unlike LiveOverflow who is level noob.
When I got into LiveOverflow's system, I had to look at his files. Why does he have so many pictures of pens?
The XSS rat goes in depth on all those cheesy bug bounty topics.
Ash Fox learns binary exploitation and coding while on stream. Fun fact, every second one of his hardware projects bursts into flames.
John Hammond showcases capture the flag videos, war games, security conferences, malware analysis, and more.
The Blind Hacker does career and resume workshops while still bringing hacking AMAs to the table for education and fun.
Cybersecurity Max says I'm stoked way too much while she creates videos about getting into the cybersecurity field and provides guides on passing popular security certifications.
Reconless does reconnaissance. Just kidding, it's Reconless.
247CTF combines beginner security topics with CTFs, crypto, and game hacking.
Hey guys, it's DC here, and today I want to help encourage you to grow in cybersec. Much more than Mr. Overflow has, anyway.
Who would have known that I would be following a LiveOverflow tutorial to pwn LiveOverflow?
Lupin mostly streams on Twitch, but in the near future, some good content will be released on the YouTube channel. Stay tuned.
Stack Smashing creates in-depth videos on embedded security, reverse engineering, and hardware hacking.
CryptoCat produces capture the flag walkthroughs aimed at beginners. Although they focus on binary exploitation, reverse engineering, and offensive security, no topics are off limits.
Tiberius mostly covers videos about web application penetration testing and uploads edited versions of his Twitch streams, which usually cover Try Hack Me rooms and Portswigger Web Security Academy content.
Hey, thanks for checking out this video. This video was actually edited by Codingo, so huge thanks to him. And of course, a huge thanks to all the other security creators who participated in this project. Thanks to them, we have now a large list of YouTube channels you should put on your block list in the description. Of course, this was only an April Fool's video. I would never recommend to you to watch these terrible channels with really bad hacking videos. They are awful. Of course, I want you to only watch quality, so just watch my videos.